What's up everybody, and in this video I will be showing you how to connect your wallet with the Blum application. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go to the wallet option on the bottom right corner over here. Just tap on it. So once you do it, you will see that I have already connected my wallet with the Blum. But in order to understand the concept of adding the wallet, I have well disconnected. So let's connect a wallet with the Blum application. So here you see that connect wallet option is over here. Just tap on it. Once you do it, there will be plenty of wallets that will appear in your wallet option. You can connect your wallet of Telegram. You can connect Tonekeeper wallet, Bitget wallet, MyTone wallet, Tone Hub, and there are plenty of other wallets that you can connect with your Blum application. For now, all I'm going to do is to connect my Telegram wallet with the Blum wallet. So that for in order to do so, all you have to do is to go and tap on Telegram wallet. What it will do, it will redirect you to the Telegram page where you can simply connect it with your Blum application. So just tap on connect wallet option and boom, that will be do it. So now your wallet has now been connected with your Blum application. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.